Oh yeah. Hello and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic, where I make crazy unique food that is anything but authentic. On today's episode, I'll be making coconut mango tteok or rice cake. This recipe is basically a child of tteokbokki, which is a spicy Korean rice cake and sticky rice mango. It is super delicious, it's so easy. I really enjoyed it, I hope you do too. Let's get started. Alright, first we're gonna prep the mango. So for this recipe, I'm using 2 mangoes. What you wanna do with it is to peel and slice them into thin slices. Now, there are a lot of ways to peel mangoes. This just is a way that my parents taught me to peel fruits. Basically what you do is you get a small knife and you run the knife into a small part of the skin and just use your index finger and slice it along. It can be a bit difficult at first, but as you get used to it, you see that it is very simple. And it saves you from washing more equipment too. I mean, like, I don't know about you, but I typically don't like doing dishes, so the less things I have to wash, the better, right? After you peel each mango, run your knife around like a third mark of your mango and just slice it across. You'll definitely feel it if you hit the seed. So just patiently slice it across and you get a nice mango steak. After that, using the same knife, thinly slice the mango into thin slices, and that's all there is to it. Continue the same process with the other mango. Now it's time to move on to make the main part of this dish, which is a sticky rice with coconut sauce. What I have here is a medium pan. Then we're gonna turn the heat on around medium to medium high. And then to it, I'm gonna add around 2 cups of unsweetened coconut milk, along with 3 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix the mixture around a little bit so that everything is well combined. And then add in around half a pound of store-bought rice cake. You can make your own rice cake if you want. I'm just using this as a quick version. I try to make fresh ones using coconut milk to give it more of that coconut flavor, and the end result didn't taste too much different, so I decided to go with the store-bought version instead. After you add the rice cake into the coconut sauce mixture, let the mixture come to a boil, and then lower the heat down to around low to medium low, and let it simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. The sauce may look liquidy now, but trust me, as it cooks, the rice cake will expand and the sauce will thicken up. So just be patient. I highly recommend to stir the mixture every couple minutes just so it's cooked evenly. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and then we move on to assembling everything together. Now it's time to assemble everything together. Take out a couple pieces of rice cake, place it on a nice looking plate, a couple more. Then using a spoon, scoop some of that delicious coconut sauce on top and place a nicely cut up steak of mango on top of the rice cake coconut mixture. Then finish it off with a couple sprinkles of toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it. See, I told you, it's pretty quick, very easy. I mean, you just simmer the rice cake for like 10 to 15 minutes and it can be long. I mean, like, you know, this is not 5 minutes recipe, but it's still relatively quick and it's looking great. So I'm just gonna dig right into it. Oh yeah. This is definitely like the baby of tteokbokki and sticky rice mango. Like, you get that sticky rice sort of texture from the rice cake. I mean, rice cake itself is already sticky, so this is basically just another version of it. And of course, you know, like, you get the thick coconut sauce that coats the rice cake nicely, and you get that sweet mango along with, like, you know, the nutty sesame. It's definitely the dessert to have this summer. Thank you for grubbing with me, Guber. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to support my channel, and I hope to see you here next time on Anything But Authentic.